Check it out, people. Look at it. Look at that. Oh, damn. Love you, Mother Nature. I swear. You're fucking amazing. Ooh, you're the only thing with this power. Look at it, guys. Okay, it's been sunny all day. You could have gone and gotten sunburnt today. The humidity was retarded. It's kind of been like that all week. Now look at it. Don't fuck with Mother Nature, people. You just don't. I love it. Anyways, out of here, people. Have a good one. Be safe. Ooh, listen to that. I kind of hope we catch some lightning, but it was happening earlier. Where'd that come from? Alright, be safe, people. Out of here. Later.